Affiliate marketing? What is that? That's the exact reaction I had when I first heard about affiliate marketing. So in this training, what I'm going to do is, for all you people who don't know what affiliate marketing is take you through a step-by-step basic guide about what is affiliate marketing, how does it work, how are you going to get paid, how does it benefit the company, and how it's going to benefit you. So I'm going to put the camera to the side just for the beginning, and so we can explain the slides a little bit better. Also, I'd like to subscribe to this channel if you like these kind of videos about how you're going to create your own online business. I do trainings about YouTube, trainings about different tools to grow your business. So if you like these kind of things and want to see more of these videos, make sure to subscribe below. So I'm going to move the camera away now and we're going to get straight into it. So what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? When it comes to affiliate marketing, you have a company or a website. They have a product that they are trying to sell. But when they're pricing of the product, they add in advertising costs. So let's say the product cost $100. They put in 20% for advertising, that's $20. But now with affiliate marketing, what they do is they give you the product, they give you a link to the product, and then if you sell the product, you get a commission. And where your commission comes from is what they initially charged for advertising. So it's a win-win for the company and for you. You make money and it's their way of advertising. So how would we become a partner or how would we get our link? So as you go onto the website, you would go to the company and you'd sign up to be an affiliate with them. They'll give you a link that brings the customer back to their product or their website. And when somebody makes a purchase, you're going to make the money. So now we have our link. We need to promote our link. You either get paid ways of doing it or free ways of doing it. The paid ways are Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, so you can put a banner on someone's blog, or there's free ways to promote the product, like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook groups. Okay, so now we promoted our product. It's going to go onto the internet. Now, when somebody clicks on your link on the product on the internet and they buy something from your link, you're going to get a commission. This is the basic breakdown about how affiliate marketing works. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth with you now about traffic, the where to find your products, and then how to convert them into sales. So the first thing you need to do is research. This does take a little bit of work, but it's going to pay off in the long run. So with the affiliate marketing, the three big niches nowadays is health, wealth, and romance. Health, because everyone's always looking for a diet or how to get fit or how to grow bigger at the gym. Wealth, because hey, everybody wants more money. And romance, because everyone's looking for love and doesn't want to be alone. So like I said before, with health, it can be all dieting, it can be juice cleanses, keto diets, gym, different exercise training, these books. There are hundreds of books out there and a lot of ways you can find them. Wealth can be broken down to like online, make money online, like I'm doing, how to build your business, Forex, investing, anything to do with money. And then romance are like more your dating apps, these kind of things. So after we've chosen our niche, we've done our research inside of the niche, we're looking for what people are looking for inside of that niche. You need to find what people's problems are and then try to, in a way, solve them with your product that's going to help you sell the ad. So we're going to go with something about wealth today because that's what I'm doing currently. So the three things you need to make your product and to get money is you need traffic, you need the offer that you're going to sell, and we're going to need conversions because that's when people are actually buying the product. So with your traffic, like I said before, you get paid ads and free content. Paid ads are a bit more difficult, selling to cold traffic, which I'm going to explain a bit more, and free content normally is better because it's organic, you don't need to pay for it, and content is always there. So what does the traffic actually do? The traffic brings visitors to our offer, and these we call leads, and the leads we need to turn into conversions. Now, leads need to be very targeted. You need to find people who are in the market already for your product. You wouldn't try to sell a beef burger to a vegan, but if you tried to sell me a beef burger when I was on my lunch break and I was looking for food, you have a higher chance of me actually wanting to buy the product. So paid content, paid traffic. Paid traffic is sent out to cold traffic, so people don't know or trust you. Also, anyone can promote and pay for ads, so your competition is a lot higher, so your costs are higher. You need to be really good in paid ads in order to make a profit from them. They can cost a lot because you need to do a lot of trial and error with them. So in the beginning, when you're just starting out of affiliate marketing and still trying to understand it, you want to start out with the free traffic because you don't know much about ad copy, how to make a gripping ad, how to put your story into your ad. Once you get better, of course, you can move to paid traffic. But I always start off to practice with free traffic because you can make mistakes and it's okay because you're not paying anything. But with the paid traffic, you're gonna, if you make a mistake, you may lose $100, $200. So we're gonna stick with the free traffic in the beginning. So free traffic, because content is the easiest way to be successful. Your audience gets to know you. They get to understand you. They get to trust you. So now they've bought a product from you before, and then you offer them another product. They'll say, hey, I know this guy. The last product I got from him was actually really good. Let me try this product. So at the end, this builds your business a bit bigger because the people know and trust you. And it's a lot easier to sell people that you know and trust. So free content strategy. When you create content, you leverage your number one competitive advantage. You are unique. Maybe you have a big personality. Maybe you don't. Either way, there's going to be someone out there who likes you. And you also need to understand this. Not everyone is going to like you. But there are 7 billion people in this world. On YouTube alone, there are 2 billion users every day that watch content for up to 40 minutes per day. You need to get 1% of those people to like you, which is pretty easy, and you're going to start making money. You just need to be yourself. Don't try to be fake in front of the camera. Don't try to edit too much and make everything flashy. Just be you. People will like you. Like I said before, content is free and it's forever. Your YouTube videos can be up for 2, 3, 4 years. It's always going to be there and you can always drive traffic with them. Also, another great thing about YouTube, TikTok, these kind of platforms, they have an algorithm that works in your favor. So you choose your niche, wealth or health or money, whatever you're doing. What you're going to do is the algorithm is going to put your content in front of people who are already searching for that kind of stuff. So your audience is more targeted. As people like your videos and start to follow you more, make comments, engage with the stuff, the algorithm is going to push your content out even further to get your reach even bigger. Over time, this becomes passive. Like I said before, you can still be making videos that you posted from 2, 3, or 4 years ago. You need to get over your fear of creating videos. 100% it's going to happen, so just do it now. Go out in one day and make 50 videos. Maybe you don't even put them up. You don't post them, you don't put links, but just make the videos. It's going to help you get over your fear of creating content. So if you want my full content strategy, the way I set it up is you start off with TikTok, you move on to Instagram, and then once you build it, you start putting in paid Facebook ads, paid Google ads. But in this video over here, Affiliate Markets Beginner's Guide, it's on my YouTube channel. I lay out my entire content strategy about how to build from nothing to omnipresence. What's omnipresence? If someone clicks on one of your links or clicks on one of your videos, you're gonna be in front of them on every platform, just from one click. You're gonna be in front of them on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. You're gonna be in their emails. This is called omnipresence. And when they see you everywhere, they're more likely to buy a product from you. This entire strategy is in my Affiliate Marketing Beginner's Guide. I do 100% think you should go and look at this. I'll link it at the end of the video. I'll also put a link below. If you want to do paid traffic, I've created videos on how to do TikTok ads, how to do Facebook ads. It's a step-by-step process, everything you need to know about Facebook and TikTok ads. So now we need the offers. We need to find an affiliate program that we want to promote. So if you look over here, these are different places where you can become an affiliate of. So this is Amazon's affiliate program. So what you can do is you can go onto Amazon, you find all the links that you want to promote, and then let's say you make a review channel on YouTube or TikTok. You can say, hey, I have this Amazon product today, or these are the top 10 Amazon products that I really like. And then you link below your Amazon links. And when somebody clicks on them, it goes to Amazon, and then you're going to make a commission. Another one, if you don't want to do Amazon, you have a place called Clickbank. In their marketplace, they have thousands of products that you can promote in every single niche you can think of. And so you just go do the same thing. You're going to promote their products, or on TikTok, on Facebook, on a blog, wherever you want. And you're going to have the same process. Somebody's going to go through them and buy them. You have also Max Bounty, JVZoo. There are hundreds of different programs out there that you can become affiliates of. So let's carry on. For the offers, this is the beginner's mistake. This is what most people do wrong when it comes to affiliate marketing. So they choose a niche without doing research. They find a random product in the niche and they try to sell a solution. Why they fail most of the time? There's some products out there that are really bad. This is why you need to do research on the product. They never built an audience. So they didn't start off with the free source of getting traffic. They didn't start to TikTok. They didn't start to YouTube. Look, you can do it without starting the free content, but you need to be really good at paid ads in order to make money from ads. So nobody's going to know you. No one's going to trust you. So no one's going to take your recommendation. But like I said before, if you get really good at paid ads, you can make money from it. But then you need to go take courses on how to make ad copy, how to make catching adverts, how to tell your story, how to get people to buy from you. Cold traffic is very difficult to sell to, but it is possible. There are a lot of people who just do cold traffic and they're making a lot of money. So what to do if nobody knows you, but you don't want to pay for paid ads? So you need to start to choose a product that's already buzzing, a product that people already know about. Saturation is a good thing because consumers are seeing the products everywhere, so they're becoming educated at a mass scale, but the rest of the people are putting content in front of them. So people will follow what other people do. So they research the product and then boom, you land up in front of them because you're creating similar content. Like I said before, with the omnipresence, once you build up to this, you can pop up on every single platform that people use. By this point, people are already normally pre-sold about the product because they've seen it everywhere. They see so many people are using it. They say, why shouldn't I use it? You just need to be the one to be present in front of them to make the sale. I'll explain a product like this in the video with affiliate marketing, the beginner's guide. I explain a product in there that is really buzzing at the moment, and I can actually make you a lot of money. So now, the number one thing, conversions. It's nice to get traffic and leads, but if we're not converting them into paying customers, we're not making money. And at the end of the day, we're here to make money. So people who come from our ads or our content become a lead. We make money when the lead buys a product. So the system you put in place to take the lead through is an ad, a capture page, a bridge page, and a video sales letter. So what is this? The ad is where you're promoting your product. A capture page is where you want to take the person's email address. So on your capture page, you want to say, give them a free something, a free ebook, a free video, or something. You want to say to them, hey, give me your email address and I'll send you a free ebook on how to grow on Facebook, or I'll send you a free training video. And this way you get an email from them. And this is very important because you connect your autoresponder to that email to that capture page. So what it does is as soon as they put in their email, it's going to take into your autoresponder and you're going to start to grow your email list. Your email list is one of the most important things you have because you can make a lot of sales from them. Somebody bought a product from you, you have an email. Every time you have a new product, you send them an email saying, I have this product. They think, okay, I bought from this person before. It's going to be a good product. Maybe they buy again. I'll explain this more in depth in my video about affiliate marketing beginner's guide. The bridge page is a thank you page. So you're going to put a small video from them saying, hey, my name's Kyle, a little bit about my story so they get to know you. Then you explain the product a little bit, but then you send them over to the company's video sales letter. This is where the company takes over from you and they're going to sell the product. So they'll normally give you videos, they have customer services, they deal with everything after that. And you don't need to worry, you just need to worry about your commission coming in. So why this system needs to be really good, really planned out, and really well. It's a lot easier to turn a lead into a buyer than to get traffic. So say we have this advert and we're getting 200 people coming to this advert, but only 2 leads are actually buying. It's a lot easier to turn that into 4 leads and make money than to bring another 200 people to the offer. So we need to make sure your ad, your capture page, and your bridge page are absolutely on point to push people into the video sales letter and after that to buy the product. There's a course you can do that will teach you how to build the capture page, how to build a bridge page. They even give you pre-made templates. I'll leave a link to that below. It's my number one way of starting a business online. You can head over there and they'll explain to you a bit more about capture pages, bridge pages, and this whole affiliate program. So targeted traffic, a strong video sales letter, and follow up with emails is where your money's coming at with affiliate marketing. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you like these kind of trainings and want to learn different models about starting businesses online, we can look into affiliate marketing, we can look into e-commerce, growing as a YouTube content creator. We can talk about high ticket skills that pay a lot. I'm going to create videos of these in the future, so wait for those. If you want to actually watch those, subscribe to this channel and I'll send you a notification every single time I create a new video that's going to teach you how you can build a different type of online business or products that are going to help you build an online business or different tools that I use to grow my online business. Please leave a like on the video and comment down below if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe and have a wonderful day.
Big,